faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play.
We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left.
Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright.
We could rebuild it. Yay!
One little dino prodding glad. His birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan.
Maybe hide it?
No, let's clean up.
Good idea.
Ready for our adventure?
Wow! Night is coming soft and slow.
Good night, my friend.
Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the pane. Little owl in moonlight playing. Hello, baby, don't you cry. I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound. When stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. Then star two glow and blur. Hello star, I see you too. Wow. Then star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Flying softly through the night. Baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby. Moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere. Magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep. Baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm. Breeze are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could out there and touch the stars shining, yippee, and touch the stars shining fair. By wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing past the sky. Dreamy sleeps with smiles so bright. Dream a starry flight. 5 dino was stomping on the ground. Wow! 5 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound! One slipped down and hit a stone mound, so the jungle echoed with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. 4 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow! 3 dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. 2 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in, muddy his. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. 1 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Wow. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos and they then said, come on, let's stomp again tonight. Listen to other dino jungle songs. Hey, A, B, C, come and see. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Baby sea, shout it loud, learning time. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark and bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC Adventure Lippy.
It's bedtime, baby shark. But first, no, no, no.
Time to
Brush your teeth first.
Mommy. Baby shark is sleepy on, so I want to sleep, he cried.
Mommy shark says no, no, no. First brush your teeth. Row, row, row. Funny brushing part. Mommy shark with toothbrush big and blue. Baby shark says ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush, brush, brush. Left and right. Foam, foam, foam. What a sight. Baby shark spits tooey, tooey. Mommy laughs. Haha, you're so gooey. Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark. Good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Daddy shark comes with a big warm hug. Baby shark still making a fuss. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush was yucky, I made a face. Now can I sleep in my cozy place? Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark. Good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Grandpa shark turns the lights so low. All the sharks say soft and slow. Good night, baby, you brush so well. Sweet dreams of bubbles and ocean swell. Final funny ending. Mommy shark is snoring loud.
Sweet dreams, little one. Rest well.
Bomb is coming from his mouth. Blub, blub, blub. Mommy shark whispers, what a day. Our funny baby shark, hip, hip, hooray. Shh, 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 shh. Sleep tight, everyone. See you tomorrow for more fun. Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark. Good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. This is fun, Mommy. You're doing so well. All clean now. I'm so hungry.
What's that sound? Hungry cow is on the ground. Crunchy munchy, here she comes. Eating everything. Yum, yum, yum. Hungry cow sees apple red. Yummy snack, she goes ahead. Crunch, crunch, oh so fast. Apple disappeared at last. Moo, moo, moo. Choo, choo, choo. What else is she gonna do? Farm is shaking left and right. Cow is eating day and night. Next she sees a big green hat. Is that food? I eat that. Chomp, chomp. Hat is gone. Farmer shouts, what is wrong? Moo, 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 munching fun. Cow is faster than a run. Everything she sees nearby disappears before our eyes. Cow eats carrots to beat a shoe. Even eats a toy or two. Jumping fence, she takes a bite. Oh no, that's not food, alright? Moo, 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 what a mess. Cow is causing pure distress. Crunch and munch and never stop. Everything goes pop, pop, pop. Farmer brings a giant cake. Stop right there, for goodness sake. But cow says, yummy treat, and swallows it in one big eat. But moo, moo, oh my wow. Cow is eating
says moo moo. I just love to munch, it's true. Moo 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 moo, slow it down. Don't sit down.